Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the manual muscle testing assessment. So what is a manual muscle test? Manual muscle testing is essential for healthcare professionals in diagnosing and monitoring muscle strength. It involves tests that focus on a patient's ability to move specific muscles, which can provide valuable insights into overall muscular health. Practitioners can determine whether a patient's muscle strength is normal, weakened, or completely absent. It's an important diagnostic tool used in many fields of medicine, including neurology, orthopedics, and rehabilitation. It's also a super easy way to track patient progress. It can be used by physical therapists, doctors, and many more. Here's how to use manual muscle testing effectively. The first step is to complete all of the patient information at the top. The second step is to conduct the tests and record the measurements. To view an example of the sample assessment of the manual muscle testing, feel free to visit carepatron.com, where you can download and access it for free. You can also access the note via our platform, filter by community and by assessments. You can type in keywords to find the note faster and edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.